Hello, this video is an overview of the CSUMB Library website. We'll start with how to access the library homepage and then review a few important features available from the library's website. First, how do you get to the library's website? Well, one way is to type the website address in your browser. The address is csumb.edu/library. You can also search for the library on Google or another internet search tool. Searching CSUMB and library works well. Once you're on the library's website, it might be a good idea to bookmark the library in your browser so it's easy to find the next time you need to do some research. The layout of the library website follows a basic pattern. At the top is a toolbar with drop-down selections. So for example, under Start Your Research, you'll find Reference and Quick Facts, Databases by Subject, and so on. Those same links are repeated in the center of the website. In this video, we'll touch on OneSearch, research databases, subject research guides, and how to access help. Starting with OneSearch, this tool with its search box is located front and center on the library website. This is where you can go to see if a book or an ebook is available through the library. You can also use OneSearch to look for journal articles, videos, or other types of information. Another thing to remember is that OneSearch includes print books from all the other CSU campuses, books that you can often request be sent to the CSUMB library for you to pick up. Instead of using OneSearch, some people, especially those with more research experience, often prefer to select a specific database to search. Databases can be accessed by clicking the Databases by Subject link here. On the right, databases are listed alphabetically. So if you know the name of the database, you can select it from the alphabetical list. On the left, databases are organized by subject. For instance, under biology, science librarian Jeff Corrigan highly recommends biological abstracts, Science, and Science Direct, among others. Back at the library homepage, you also have access to what we call subject research guides. Let me click on that link. Here you'll find suggested resources organized by topic. For example, if I click on psychology, I can see not only recommended databases, but also suggested journals, statistical websites, and resources for psychological testing and measurement. Lastly, there is the Get Research Help section. You'll find different options. There is a chat box. Type in your question and a librarian will respond. When chat is offline, you can still post a question and we'll get back to you. Under Ask a Librarian, you'll find other help options such as a frequently asked questions area. The library also has a growing collection of instruction videos. And for instance, here is a 6-minute video on using OneSearch. There are lots of other things you can do at the library's website, and we've just covered a few. If you do have questions, feel free to contact us.